How to upload CapCut videos on YouTube. Let's jump right into the steps. Open CapCut app on your phone and tap on New Project or any of the projects here. You can edit the video as you want and put the resolution to whatever you want. After editing the video, tap on the arrow facing upward to export it. Now you can share this video on various platforms like Instagram, Stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, and also you can share it to other platforms. For that, you want to tap on Others. Find Instagram here, and if you cannot find it, you need to scroll down or you need to slide it to the sidewards and tap on More. Here all the apps in which you can share will be available in suggestions, so you have to find YouTube here. As mine doesn't show YouTube, I will not be able to share it on YouTube. But if you have it, you want to tap on share and then you'll be able to share the video on YouTube. And that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.